You might not realize it, but you are protected from danger by a simple steel or acrylic guard. When you're working with a machine that has rotating parts, gears, or pulleys, you need to be aware of the potential hazards introduced. Tools like table saws, grinders, and box fans are pretty simple but can be dangerous. And sometimes they can also be complex and partially robotic and involve hazardous chemicals. Here are a few tips to keep dull blades, worn tools, and other high-risk maintenance hazards from harming your workforce. Examine each tool for damage. Never use broken, dull, damaged, or worn tools. Keep blades and bits sharp and clean. Clean and lubricate tools frequently. Maintain labels and nameplates. Never remove safety guards. Lock out and tag machines off when guards are removed